Standard 6th English Grammar. Lesson 1 Punctuation. Hello children. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, punctuation. Before I could start, I would like you to ask some questions. First, what are the signs and symbols used in a text? Second, what happens when a full stop comes in between two sentences? Now children, you can write the answers of these questions on a paper or in any notebook for homework. What is punctuation? The English language has a system of symbols and signs known as punctuation. Now, why do we need punctuation? Punctuation shows us how to structure sentences and how each sentence should be read. Capital letter and full stop. Now notice the beginning and the end of the sentence. Here the word "the" starts with a capital letter because it is the first word in a sentence. The sentence also ends with a full stop because it states clearly what the girl is doing. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The pronoun I is written in a capital letter wherever it appears. For example, Amit and I are brothers. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. For example, she gave the book to Kamlesh. Here, the word Kamlesh is a proper noun as it is the name of the person. So that is why we are using K as capital. Question mark. Now look at this sentence. How many cookies did you eat? This is a question. Notice the symbol used at the end of the sentence. It is called as question mark. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Now let us see some more examples. What color is a dog? Will you play with me? Comma. Now look at this sentence. My favorite fruits are apple and banana. Here there are only two items to list, that is apple and banana. Now see the next example. My favorite fruits are apple, banana and strawberry. Here there are more than two items in the list, so we use a comma for separating them. Thus we say, my favorite fruits are apple, banana and strawberry. Comma is used to separate three or more words in a list. Comma is also used after introductory words such as yes, no, well, hello, etc. For example, hello, how are you doing? Comma is also used for giving a short pause in a sentence. For example, a lot of people, young and old, rich and poor, met the saint. Exclamation mark. Now look at these sentences. Wow, what a cute baby. Alas, the cat is dead. Now notice the symbols used in these sentences. It is called an exclamation mark. Thus, we can say that we use exclamation mark at the end of a word or a sentence to show strong feelings such as surprise, anger or joy. Now here, there is a short homework for you all children. Exercise number 1. Pick the punctuation. You can see the sentences are being given and you have to choose the correct one from the circle.